Today we're going to be making a beef. It's meatballs and korma with a little bit of Madras curry powder because I like spice. It was supposed to be meatball masala and I forgot that I already used all my masala, so it's korma today. First thing we're doing is peeling potatoes. If I don't work out how to speed this up in editing, then I'm really sorry. Feel free to skip ahead. I will definitely put in some form of chapter marker so you don't have to watch this. There we go. Right. I need a better... I took my finger off. I need a better scraper. I never like these. I'm always worried they're going to get my finger. Like that one did. Never mind. Put that in there. Nice. Beautiful potato. What's all these marks? So just go down. Try and find any of these black spots because they can't be good. I don't know many foods with black spots that are good. Anybody else does know a food like that, you're welcome to eat it. Oh, blood as usual. Never mind. It's not a curry if you haven't bled. Oh no, that's health and safety, isn't it? Never mind. Right. So we'll get this one. Oh. Come on. There we go. So just take that skin away. Now, I don't know about you guys, girls, guys, whatever. I used to just throw all of my potato peelings away, but then I started gardening and it turns out great for mulching. Whoa, that's a beast. Whoa, just made French fries out of this bad boy. Yeah, so I find it's better if you've got a composter, put it straight in there. If you haven't, but you're trying to grow something in particular in a certain area, just throw your potato peelings down there, let them decompose, get that ground nutrient rich, or potato peeling rich, I don't know. Just keep pulling that across and across like that. Heads off in the pot. And we've got one more. I like to have lots of potatoes in the curry. Whew. Potatoes are great. Oh, not again. They soak up all the flavour. These white ones don't. They don't go mushy like sweet potatoes. I did try sweet potatoes, and they just it's baby food. I'm not a fan. They don't even taste that great either, to be fair. Just trying to be healthy, but stop trying to take your fingers. Thank you. Okay. Are we okay? No blood? No, just on me. Right, so get rid of that for now. Because we don't want that. Just rinse off my hands. Okay, so next we need to cut those potatoes up. I'm going to use the classic British set of blunt knives. So blunt, you can cut into your hand and nobody's going to know. Hey. Those little tatties jumping around. Nearly there. I just usually quarter these up. Sometimes a bit smaller. Hey, depends how much is going in really. Plus, if your curry's starting to look a little bit too thin, that you haven't put enough potato in, because you know I love potato, then cutting them up smaller makes it look a little bit more like there's more there. It'll portion out nicely, and you'll still get a good meal. Come on. Oh, that's it. Okay, one of the world's most boring cooking videos, I'm sure. I'm sorry. I do what I can. So we're just going to wash that one. So it's had a little adventure. As has my finger just now. Ow. Okay, so we'll quickly wash these. Wash, rinse, whatever. Come on. Ah, beautiful. You guys look fresh. Just put that over there. A bit smaller. Make this right, then it should be perfect for dipping poppadoms and naans and stuff. But you can also then just pick the potatoes out with a fork. I'm not a big rice eater, but mainly because I can't make rice very well, and it always just comes out awful. So let's see. We're going to be putting in a little bit of this powder, so we need to just cut this open. Okay, that looks. Oh, it smells as well. We're going to need some meatballs. Cutting out. Hey guys, should have used them yesterday. They'll be fine. Can't use those scissors. Right. Okay. So sunflower oil. Preferably open. And then I don't really know how much to put in. I never do, so I'll just kind of go for it and hope for the best. You away there. And on. Oh. Anyone else get a pan balance? I could do with a flat surface. I think that's why everyone's got them. We'll call it there. So we've got some powder. Meatballs are going to go in a minute. As soon as these are fried, we're going to put everything in the slow cooker, turn it on, and then return in like a few hours. That makes sense to me. Okay. Right, so we're just getting the pan hot now. Ready for our meaty weety balls. I could do with something, I don't need that anymore. I could do with something to sprinkle my powder. I haven't got anything that's sprinkler-ish, iffy. I don't really know what kind of word will work in this situation. I ain't got something. Oh, a garlic thingy. That'll work. Right. I'm not making garlic because. Ugh. You hot? I mean, it's hot. Is it not gonna? Is it supposed to? No. Okay, whatever. Right. This is where you get careful, right? You don't let the kids do this because I do this all the time and it's stupid. Ah, get in there! Oh, I've lost the meatball! You're right. Right, so they're sizzling, and I need where's the tongs? Alright, I need to use this instead. Let's start moving these around a little bit. Yeah, that's it, that's what I want. Right, so brown a little bit nicely on all sides. Oh, you see my oil just keeps flowing away. Right, you go over there. Just go over there. That'll do. Stop. Oh, I should have worn my dressing gown. Okay. Right, so once all the pink has gone, you know, like, seared, cooked, whatever, that's when I'm going to put my seasoning on, which I usually just do by hand. But I'll do this one with that garlic press thing. My wife won't mind, she's okay. She supports my cooking endeavours as long as I clean up after I'm finished. That's the rule. It's just mainly the oil, to be honest. That's the problem. So just roll, just that way. Down. Okay. Right. Stop. Right, now I get it, it's because it's so hot, that's why, you know, spitting, but, you know, I'm cooking, so. Right, how do I get, might not be a good idea, actually. Okay, I'm going to try, just stir a little bit. Oh, there we go. Yes! Oh, yes, sir, I can boogie. Ow! Oh, no! Oh! Alright, well, it's going to be very madrassy. It's a korma, never mind. Right, you go over there and stay away from me. Lethal stuff, isn't it? Right, don't do that anymore. Okay, so. Yeah, okay, we'll get that in there. Start moving that around a little bit. Yep, they're looking okay. Pull down a bit, and then we'll put a little bit more on. This time I'll use a spoon. And then we need a little bit for the potatoes as well. It's like half a little, it's not even a proper teaspoon, it's a little spoon, proper little. And half of that is going to potatoes. You don't need loads of this stuff. Smells like curry in here, I can say that much. Okay. Our meatballs are starting to go very nice. I'm sure there'll be plenty of people saying, "No, it's too much, they burn." I don't like raw meat or anything like that. And I know it's going to be cooking for a while, so it'll never be raw in a million years, but I'm that guy. Okay, I don't like the idea of raw meat in my mouth at all. In any way, shape or form. Oh no, I suppose tuna. I do like tuna. Yeah, okay. Just let some of the heat out because it's getting a little bit spicy in here. So, the last step, while they're just doing their thing, is to pour in the sauce. Or, you know, double it in, whatever. And then you want about 1 inch of water in each jar. Look at that. Not much at all. Put the lid on. Straight in. Do that for each jar. Get the contents. Don't need a lot of water if you're doing 2 jars. Even if you're doing 1, you don't want much. There we go. You spit at me once more. Okay. Our meatballs are ready. So we can turn that on to high. Clean up so I don't get in trouble. Well, I mean, it's not really clean, but you know, just clean it. And then the next bit is getting these into there with no oil or tongs. That's where I think I should have prepared. Barbecue to the rescue. Okay, so pause me. There's other ways to do this, I'm sure. Come on. Hang on, can I be brave? Can I get... Oh, yeah! Double your pleasure. Come on, get in there. Come on, no meatballs. Now, the meatballs were, I think like $2.29 or something at Lidl. And the jar sauces are about £1 each. Potatoes are like £1 as well. And that'll make 4 meals. So, I mean, that's got to be like 20 pence max. I don't know, my maths is crap. Right, you go over there and just cool down, please, because you scare me. And then the last step is mix it all up. So, just get a spoon, mix it round, make sure that everything's covered with the sauce. You're going to be stirring this at least twice more. I usually stir every 2 hours. Oh, I made a mess again. So, first 2 hours on high, come in and stir it, turn it down to medium. 2 more hours on medium, stir it again. And then you can either turn it down to low at that point and leave it for 2, or leave it on medium and serve it as and when you're ready, realistically. But I always leave mine for, I do 2, 2, 2. 2 on high, 2 on medium, 2 on low, and then I'll serve it when I go to see it after that 3rd time and portion the rest out. You just get in there, Mr. Meatball. Right, so I believe that's everything. If I've missed anything, then this curry is going to suck. Thanks all! Okay, so 2 hours in, we got to let that water drain off into there so it doesn't go everywhere. I don't want to get in trouble again. Give that a little stir. Ooh. Oh, it smells great. Doesn't smell like an Indian, but it smells great. Put that in there. Don't be wasting any of that sauce. Could you just take that for me, please, darling? Thank you very much. My lovely assistant. So we'll turn that down to medium for the next 2 hours, and then we'll see how it's looking.